Email marketing broken down in very simple steps. When you are trying to market your business, it can be hard to know which marketing techniques to focus on. Email marketing can be a strong, fundamental part of any marketing plan. Here are some useful email marketing tips to strengthen your overall marketing strategy, and to build your bottom line. Be sure to put the logo of your product or business in the email. This way, customers will become familiar with the logo and associate it with your company. It is best if the logo is something that will catch the reader's eye and be easy for them to remember it. Provide subscribers with a way out. Place an unsubscribe link in your emails or on your website to allow them to remove themselves from your list. You should also set up your list to call itself by removing subscribers after a particular number of messages prompt no response or action from the recipient. This prevents your emails from becoming annoying to disinterested subscribers and preserves your image. Send your opt-ins a link that they must click on to confirm their subscription to your email list. This way, you ensure that it is something that they want to do, and it will protect you from getting complaints about spam. Let your opt-ins know in your pitch that they will need to click on a link. In order to banish all concerns about spam and ensure that no one on your subscriber list is there by mistake, consider employing a double opt-in strategy. Your first message should require some sort of additional action, like replying or clicking on a link, to make certain that the reader wants to receive further emails. Use tools to measure the success of your email marketing campaign. You should learn all you can about how many times your emails are read, if your subject lines are being read, which videos you write are being read, etc. Using information like this can help with the future success of your campaign since you will know what works and what does not. Encourage customers to leave active, as well as passive feedback, in your marketing campaigns via email. Active feedback will give you very direct answers to public opinion of your brand. You ask for suggestions or comments, and you will receive them. Passive feedback is generally not seen by the readers. Passive feedback is comprised of the tools and monitoring techniques you use to see which links receive the most clicks and to determine the open rates of your emails. Email marketing can be an effective, smart way to promote your business. You have to know what to do. Just apply the tips laid out here so your email marketing plan goes well. Learn as much as you can about email marketing so that you only improve as your business grows. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.